Hi there, thanks for joining me again. Back in the garage, back on the tools, maybe you can call them tools and equipment and work clothes. So I've been on the spend, Black Friday's here, and I've been wanting some of these work trousers for absolutely ages. They've not been around for that long. This was a new addition in the Milwaukee lineup. These are the flexi pants work clothes. So let's have a look, see what the quality's like. I've also got the knee pads as well, so hopefully they're going to fit. Yeah, what's the quality? Strength, stitching, fit. How do they fit? Are they going to fit me from my regular sizes? So let's see how they compare to other stuff. First of all, they look pretty nice. I mean, obviously come with all the tags and everything. I've bought these from Big Red Power. I'll put links in the description. They've cost me, with the knee pads and the trousers, just over 90 quid. So they're not cheap. So I'm expecting some nice things with this. I'm expecting them to be really good quality. Nice bit of Milwaukee badge going on there. I like a bit of that, a bit of oh yes. We've also got like a Milwaukee lining. They're not amazingly thick. So the material isn't like a jean material. It's thinner than jeans. But they're supposed to be quite comfortable and give you some flex. It's supposed to be really tough as well. Looks like we've got some pockets on the sides and hooks and hangers, pop stud pocket. And we've got the pockets for the knee pads going in there as well. A little birdie told me that these are actually made by Dickies. So Dickies Workwear, they've got involved with Milwaukee and made these. Now, I can't swear to that 100%, but it came from a really good source. So it is possibly true. I haven't got any Dickies to compare it to, but I do like all the stitching, even on the back there on the belt hook, you've got the Milwaukee emblem. Lots of hangs and hooks and pouches. Do you know what? Let's put them on and see what it's like. Excuse me, I'm going to do it right now. Can't wait any longer. I am a 32-inch waist with a 30-inch leg. Oh, bugger, falling over. With a 30-inch leg. So these are a 32-inch waist. I'm not 100% sure on the leg, because on the website I bought them from, it didn't give you a choice. So I've took a bit of a punt. I hope they're going to fit. So far so good. Let's have a look then. Got a lot of pouches and stuff. Let's get the t-shirt tucked in as well. Yeah, size wise, they're spot on. Absolute fit like a glove. They're quite tight around the top, around the thighs. You know, I'm still out on the bike doing a bit of cycling, but by no means have I got massive muscly legs. Yeah, they are comfy though. Come and have a look. Right, let's get the shoes back on as well. Okay, so yeah, you can see lengthwise they're banging, really nice. They are really comfy, I have to say. I wonder if this is removable, because yes it is, it's like a zip pouch. Oh, it's not. Or is it? Yes, oh yeah, it looks like it's going to come off. With a pop stud, is it, either side? Yeah, there you go. So you can take that off if you don't want that attached. A bit of a cleaner look. It's a nifty design though, isn't it, that? And we can reattach that. pop stud either side there. So yeah, that's going to take a bit of weight. And you've got obviously tool hangers there as well. Now then, down the side of the leg, we've got pockets for screwdrivers. You can hook various things. So we've got a compartment at the bottom, 2, 3 at the bottom there. Got a nice hefty webbing there for hanging something off as well. And then the big pocket at the top. Back pocket with the emblem on it, like I said. Pouch this side as well. So we've got pouches both sides. This side we've got zip pocket in the leg. That's a really big pocket, that one as well. Really nice. We've then got another pop stud pocket there. And then 3 more hooky hangers on the webbing straps there on the side. And then we've got the pockets for the knee pads. So let's try the knee pads in. Right, and so we've got here the Milwaukee knee pads, knee pad insert EVA. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice foam. Plenty of softness there though. If you're kneeling on some hard floors, yeah, they're going to make the world of difference. I think these knee pads came in at about £8, so they weren't massively expensive. Cordura is what they're saying these are made of. Okay, so if we pull that back there, and it's got these tabs and everything to hold them in place. So let's go for this then. They should go right down inside. That's one in. Oh, they don't restrict your bending. They still flex really well. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, I've put them in the wrong way round. This side towards the outside. Right, let's go again then. Let's go again, let's pop that out. I've put it in back to front. I didn't think that, I thought it'd be the other way around. Schoolboy error. Right, this side towards the outside. Okay, so we're going in that way around then. Not sure what difference that actually makes, but it must make some difference. We'll do it to how they're designed. Knee pads are in. Let's get down on the deck. Oh, oh, that's really comfy. Yeah, it does feel. That is beautiful. Yeah. God, they're comfier than my old knee pads. Yeah, I'm liking that. That does feel good. Oh, that's going to save me knees. That gets a thumbs up. We're in the kitchen today and we've got a big job on. So what we're going to do is replace this flooring without removing the kitchen cupboards. Now this is going to be a great test for these trousers. I'm down on my knees. I'm grovelling around on the floor, walking around with these knee pads in. And they are really comfortable, really comfortable. We've got some dust and dirt. And this was a full day, well, day and a half job. And the fatigue on my legs, it wasn't there at all. Here's some good close-ups of these trousers. Look at the stitching. You can see it's got a nice metal zip, metal button, double stitched edges. Yeah, really good quality. The material is really tough as well. I caught it with the end of the multi-saw and it didn't cut through it, it didn't graze it or anything. So this Cordura, it's great stuff. You can see the stitching all the way down, double stitched knees. Yeah, really lovely. Yeah, that's the part number of this particular pair. Oh, I got a great hanger inside, look at that. Heavy duty hanger. Yeah. You can see how impressive the stitching is. We've got extra stitches, double stitch seams. I mean, look at the work that's gone into that. They are a piece of art. At the bottom, you've also got this extra, it's almost like a wear tab at the bottom. Get round your boots and that, you know, nice. They have thought of everything, haven't they? Look at the stitching on the bottom there. I'll show you the stretchy fabric as well, the difference. So on the underside there, this whole piece that runs up here is that stretchy fabric on the back of your leg. Then it turns into the more durable material, and then again, so the stretchy fabric comes up the back of the leg, goes across the gusset to the other side, and obviously down that leg as well, just for that extra stretch and comfort when you're bending. Even the little button on the front has got Milwaukee on it. Oh, so there we go. Work trousers are banging. They really are. I've done all that floor in the kitchen, grovelling around on my hands and knees. Really comfortable, no stress on my knees at all. So yeah, I'd recommend these to anybody. I'm not on Milwaukee's books. They're not paying me for this review. This is completely, I've been and bought these and we've tried them, and yeah, I really like them. They aren't the cheapest, but you know, you pay for what you get at the end of the day. If this one's been a use, if you enjoyed the video, then please drop me a little thumbs up, chuck me some comments in, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.